Hello and welcome to Desi Lifestyle in Europe. In this video, I'll do unboxing and installing of my new Arlo Video Doorbell. Before I start, I just want to say that this is not a sponsor video. I'm just sharing my personal experience with this doorbell. Before buying, we did our research and found that this doorbell had everything that we needed. So we bought it from a local shop in Norway for 2000 Norwegian kroners, which is almost 200 euros. Some of the features of Arlo Video Doorbell are 1080p resolution with HDR, two-way audio, night vision, hardwired power, 180 degrees field of view, 12 times digital zoom, and built-in siren. So let's open the box. In the box you have the doorbell. The overall look of the Arlo Video Doorbell is okay. It's a bit taller than most other video doorbells. You have a voltage transformer between 16 to 24 volt AC, a power kit, wall screws, optional wire extension, a mounting plate, and a release pin. The Arlo Video Doorbell requires an existing wired doorbell and chime setup with electrical wiring, so that's why it made the installation a bit more difficult. But the good thing is that we would never have to worry about the battery running out again. I just need to make sure that the power is off during this whole process of installation. The Arlo Video Doorbell can differentiate between people, pets, vehicles, and packages. You will get the notifications on your mobile phone each time it detects one of those things. Unfortunately, the Arlo Video Doorbell lacked local storage. So for the local storage, you have to invest in an Arlo Smart plan where you pay monthly for cloud storage up to 30 days. Now, with this two-way audio, we can easily answer our door regardless of where we are. When someone rings the doorbell, it will call the cell phone and we can have two-way audio communication with the guests. A cool feature is that we can also leave a pre-recorded message for guests and vice versa. Another cool feature is that it has emergency calling right from the Arlo app. If you open a notification from your doorbell camera and see someone breaking into your house or doing something that you don't like, you can call the police right away. The doorbell comes equipped with infrared LED sensors that allow us to see clearly at night. With HDR, the quality of the footage is incredibly clear, free of glare or shadows, as you can see here.